Christmas. The Cody Stumbo
and the Kinny Landrum on Facebook.
all throughout December. Be on the lookout.
Stay tuned.
We are back for day 6 of the Cody Stumbo.
And the Kinny Landrum's 12 Days of Christmas.
And today, wait a minute, I've got my point. You have your pointer? Okay, good deal. And today, we were talking about Toys for Tots. So here at Toyota Bowling Green, we are a Toys for Tots drop-off location.
Can you tell me about it?
Okay, so bring a unwrapped toy valued at $10 or more, and you will receive a $20 service voucher off your next visit. That's right.
That's right. Great deal we got going on, guys. Keep in mind, this does end the 15th, which is Saturday. Our service department is open from, 7:30 to 5:30?
No, Saturday. Oh, wait a minute.
On the weekdays.
On the weekdays, yes.
And then Saturday, which is the last day, like I said, our service department is open 8 to 1.
8 to 1.
So like Kenny said, make sure you guys bring by your unwrapped toy valued at $10 or more.
New unwrapped toys only.
Only.
Toys for Tots.
And then get your $20 voucher off your next service.
That's right, $20 voucher off your next service. And be sure to come see the Cody Stumbo.
And the Kinny Landrum for all your car shopping needs.
Absolutely. And we are only on the corner of Lovers Lane and Scottsville Road.
Yep.
Or is it Scottsville Road, Lovers Lane?
Whichever way you want to put it.
Whichever way is
It's the
okay.
same thing, I guess.
Can I do the little twirly thing?
Right here, looky here.
Come and see the Cody Stumbo.
The Kinny Landrum, guys. Day 6. Kenny and Cody's and Kinny's, 12 Days of Christmas. Thanks, guys. See you again.
See ya.
And we're out.
12 Days of Christmas, the Cody Stumbo.
And the Kinny Landrum on Facebook.
all throughout December. Be on the lookout.
Stay tuned.